Hi everyone! Welcome back for another daily from Clues by Sam. Today's puzzle is for Sunday, June 7th. Brutal difficulty. Let's get started. Exactly 2 innocents to the left of Uma are neighboring Vicky. Mark Ryan and Samira as innocent. Exactly 2 of Pam's 4 criminal neighbors also neighbor Nala. So there are 2 criminals among these 3. If Tina was innocent, then Ghani and Helen would be criminals. And since Kita must have 3 innocent neighbors, Isaac would be a criminal as well. But now Dennis can only have up to 2 innocent neighbors, and this violates Uma's clue. Therefore, we can mark Tina as a criminal. Only one of the 3 criminals neighboring Helen is below Ellie. Now we have 3 out of 4 criminals neighboring Pam located, so we can mark Nala as a criminal. Also, notice that either Ghani or Ellie must be a criminal, and either Isaac or Kita must be a criminal. We have all 3 criminals neighboring Helen located, so we can mark Dennis as innocent. There's an odd number of innocents below Ellie. Mark Zach as innocent. Only one clerk has exactly 2 innocent neighbors. Mark Will as innocent. There are more criminals in row 1 than row 5. Remember that row 2 is the only row with exactly 2 innocents. This means row 1 must have 3 innocents, and row 5 must have 4. Mark Vicky and Javi as innocent. Here's our final clue. There's an odd number of criminals neighboring Frida. From the clues that we already have, we know that these 6 people form a checkerboard pattern. There are 2 possible states, but we can rule out this one. Because once we apply Nala's clue, Frida gets to have an even number of criminal neighbors, which violates Vicky's clue. Therefore, this has to be the correct state, and now we can fill out the remainder of the board. And there we have it. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video.